Hello, folks. I'm thirsty. It's I don't know, 10:30 at night, I think. What have I got right now? I got a small Harbor Freight thing I'm gonna review because I'm planning on using it. I have a few other Harbor Freight things that I got to review. That if I take them out of the box, there's no place to put them. So, moving. This one's a small one. This is a Harbor Freight Central Machinery Portable Sandblasting Gun. Why did I buy it? Because why did I buy it when I have a freaking sandblasting machine? Well, I got a few bigger things that will not fit in that machine. So I figured, yeah, you know what? I always see them. Oh, and I paid like $20 thing for it. It was on sale or liquidating or whatever it was. It was cheap. So I bought one. I'll lower the video so I can show you me unboxing it. All right, now let's look for... My bench is a mess. I was doing some other video last week in here, and it's a mess. Complete mess. Here's my knife. See? There you go. Whee! Old-fashioned knife. All right, now let's see. Come on. I want to rip the box. It's valuable. One day people are going to look back and be like, ooh, Harbor Freight, remember that shithole? That was a cool tool we bought. So what's it come with? Comes with a cardboard box. That comes with a lot of air. This is the front of the box. Back of the box. Features fully adjustable control valve, 2 steel tips, 1 stainless steel filter, 1/4 inch 18 NPT quick connector. Works with multiple types of media, aluminum oxide, ground glass, glass bead, walnut shell, and more, and air. So, with no further ado, I think the bag is better quality than some of the plastic at Walmart. Danger. To avoid dangerous suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies, children. Do not use bag in crib beds, carriages, play pens. This bag is not a toy. Before I go, are people in the world really that stupid? I know Tide Pods are tasty, but this, I don't know. I'm kind of wondering. This world's pretty, I don't know. I didn't even want to say it. I'm sure you all know what I'm thinking, right? Pretty funked. Where's my knife? I need a sharp one. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do this the right way. Hold on. Let's do this in much loved YouTube fashion. Everyone else does this shit, so I can, right? There you go, see? Told you this thing's awesome. Hey, look how fast that opened it. What's his name there in Ontario or BC? He does that well. This is, seems pretty... Honestly, hold on. Let me get the tips out here. I dropped a piece. Uh-oh. Dropped 2 pieces. Hold on. Let's pick up the pieces. Let's see now. Hold on my bald head there. So now, cheap tips. What did they say was stainless steel in here? So we got the little nipple part, which I'm not going to use it because it's going to screw it to it. It's a on-off valve here. A tip. I could probably make one on my milling machine. And a nut goes on it. What is my impression of this? This looks really tiny. There's a filter in here. Apparently, it's pretty tiny. This sucks it to the front. My first impression when I got this out of when I pulled this out of the box a second ago is this is made really cheap. This is plastic. It's not metal. So I'm wondering would abrasive thing wear out the internals here really quick. I'm thinking this thing is ha-cheap. It says, this is what it says on it. Like the airline part, see, the airline part here might hold up forever. The handle might. I mean, they couldn't even fill in the handle with plastic. Like, you really have to make that cheap? Even this part right here. This part is just, they basically removed the meat on it and left the potatoes. And there's just a dribble here, and I wonder if, see, like, I mean, I know it should last a little while, but how long could this? Oh yeah, there's a little metal insert in there, so maybe it will last a little longer. They put a, if you look inside there, piece, because I'm wondering, like, when this thing's sucking abrasives through and sandblasting the inside of this, what about all this plastic? But apparently this part is all air up to here, and this little part right here is a metal insert. So I guess somebody immediately thought, like me, like, this thing's gonna get torched, but he put some highly abrasive stuff in there. Is this Allen key come with it? I don't think so. I think this is already on my bench. But very simple, very light. A warning label, name on there, cap. I guess, you know what? I'm gonna have to go online and see what the difference between like the $100 version is versus this. But this feels like it's gonna break. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it won't. But let's be fair. It's 20 something bucks, 30 bucks. I think regular price. You get what you pay for. And if you're going to use it for a couple of small things, who cares? I don't know. Maybe it's a lifetime warranty. Probably not. Kind of cool. I'm going to basically use it for big parts, these small little spots that I can't use on a wire wheel. Let me lift this up. I feel like I'm talking to myself. I feel like I'm talking to my stomach. I'm basically going to use this fancy little cheap pistol to do small little intricate parts that I can't get with a wire wheel. Because I have a entire ATV rack over there that needs to be done. So, with that, I'm going to do little tiny parts, because I can get most of the rack on the outer big parts, but there's little spots welded on, little holes. So that would be little tiny things. That's my plan. The only I haven't figured out is where I'm going to do that. Outside or indoors. And how many times I'm going to have to fill this. My other thing I do is, sorry, all of a sudden I got a stuffy nose or whatever. The other thing I normally do is take a regular, see, because you could use this, but if you're doing a little portable, obviously I'm not going to do it in my garage, but if I'm doing this outside, to get rid of this problem, I have my siphon tube in a 5-gallon pail. I did it once. I laid a tarp in your driveway, pick the windiest possible day, or semi-windy, put the 5-gallon bucket in your driveway, and the siphon tube goes in the side of the bucket with a zip tie, and the hose attaches to it with the sandblasting gun, not this one, the regular one, and pour all the media in a bucket and just start sandblasting out in the open air. And when it's windy, all the little fine particles that you sandblast off all blow in the wind, and if you get a big enough tarp, all the heavy sand falls down the tarp. You just kind of put it all back and put it back in the bucket, and you lose about maybe a cup. Last time I lost about less than a half an inch in the bucket. I measured it, and that's what I plan on doing. So this might work for small crevices, but my other thing might work perfect. So we'll see about that. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is like I said, it's Central Machinery. If you want to try it out, I will try it. I will do another update video on this, but an honest review. This feels cheap. It probably works just as good as every other one, but it does, like, it doesn't feel so cheap that it's, Walmart quality, but it's for the tool industry. I would think that, make this out of aluminum or something. Make it nice. Or at least make this thing a little better. I'll probably make look, it's not even screwed on. It's got a little shitty ass rivet in there. So anyway, Thanks for watching. Click some like buttons. Watch a whole bunch more videos. Give me some more watch hours. And hope you enjoy my channel. I like to gab. Yeah, I know it.